Another easy peasy question here on balancing half equations. This one is our oxalate ion. Oxalate. And we are trying to convert that to carbon dioxide. Okay, so major players, C2O42 minus, and it's being turned into CO2, right? That's a major player here. So, steps. Let us balance the atoms apart from oxygen and hydrogen. So that will be carbon. If carbon here is 2, then I need to add a 2 here. That should balance that out for me. Then I'll balance my oxygen with water. On the left-hand side, I have 4 moles or 4 atoms of oxygen. On the right is also 4. Well, that's good. I can skip that step. And I want to balance hydrogen with hydrogen ion, but there's no hydrogen anywhere, so I would also skip that step. And finally, I want to balance my charges with electrons. Balancing the charges with electrons, I have a -2 here and I have 0 here. So definitely I'm going to add 2e minus here. And that should balance it up for me. Yes. So this is pretty much all you need to do. So in our final answers, I guess we'll have 1 here, 2 here, and 2 here. And that's it. Enjoy.